Frustrated with constant printer errors? You're not alone. In 2025, printers face new challenges, but today, I'll show you exactly how to fix them. Section 1, Common Printer Repair Challenges, 2025. Hardware wear, rollers, belts, and gears deteriorating faster with heavy use. Software integration issues, OS updates breaking compatibility. High-volume strains, overheating, slow queues, output glitches. Section 2, Receipt Printer Driver Issues. Symptoms, driver not recognized, scrambled text, post-update conflicts. Fixes, reinstall drivers, use correct ports, update firmware, use generic drivers if needed. Section 3, HP Error Codes and Fixes. Carriage jams remove obstruction, reset printer. Error 49, firmware crash, firmware update or reset. Firmware failure codes reinstall firmware. Section 4, General Business Printer Codes. Paper jams clear jams and clean rollers. Low ink/toner verify cartridge sensor readings. Offline errors check IP, restart print spooler. Section 5, Canon Troubleshooting. Power cycling, clearing jams, cleaning printheads. Resetting network settings and reinstalling drivers. Section 6, Printer Security Warnings. Canon, launching enhanced and premium printer security subscriptions. Brother, 689 models affected by default password flaw, change passwords immediately. Tip, restrict printer to secure network segments. For more detailed guides and 24/7 expert help, visit Printerfix Support. Call us. +1 877 595 9194 +44 736 159 5441.